Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial on Mr. Brush tool in Photoshop. In this video, we'll be diving deep into how effective use of these tools in Photoshop in enhancing your digital image, your digital art, or whatever ways you want your Mr. Brush. So let's get started. Firstly, we'll be talking about what is a Mr. Brush tool. A Mr. Brush can be located in your brush tool. It can be located here depending on your version of your Mesa brush tool. So what is a Mesa brush tool means? The Mesa brush tool in Photoshop is a visualized tools that allow you to blend or mix color on your camera or your image or whatever platform you want to use it for. So I like to paint like a traditional tool, like a big brush you are using, like a normal brush. But this is something about Mesa brush tool that is different from the other brush in Photoshop. This tool is great for painting via this texture, blending color and seamless, and also depth in your artwork. Some people use this Mesa brush for frequency separation, while some use face in Photoshop. So let's go into the Mesa brush tool. I'm going to be showing you the frequency separation process and also the normal process of Mesa brush tool with these two images. So if you want how to access Mesa brush tool, you can access your Mesa brush to your tools bar by clicking over here. Depending on your version, this is my version of Photoshop is 2019, so that's why it's been located here. If it's 2016 or other version of Photoshop, it can be located by this angle where this selection tool is. So I prefer my own tools bar to be like this. So this is where I located my Mesa brush tool. To access Mesa brush tool, your shortcut is B, but most of the time you may not be able to find it. The tools may be on the B. You can use Shift B to change tools also. So I guess you understand what I mean with the Mesa brush tool. We are in the third class on adjusting the Mesa brush tool setting. When we talk about adjusting the Mesa brush setting, so right now we are going to go deep into the editing of the picture with the Mesa brush tool. So I want to tell you how to edit the Mesa brush tool setting. So before you start, so let's go to the Mesa brush tool. Make sure it's a soft round brush. Make sure here is a clear brush, because if it's a low brush, it's going to affect the image. Can you see it's affecting the image badly? So I'm going to press Ctrl G to duplicate the image, and make sure my place is on clear layer. Make sure this one is not on. The low brush is on. Make sure this clear brush is on, and make sure it's on custom, and make sure some people set their own custom. I'm going to give you two type of ways of setting the Mesa brush tool. This is the first one. My wet is on 30, the load is on 30, the mix brush is on 30, and the flow is on 30. So this one I'm going to be using the frequency separation process. So I'm going to use an action. If you need the frequencies of separation, I do check on my previous tutorial on how to do frequency separation. I'll also be showing you frequency separation process with the Mesa brush tool, but I'm going to use the action for this. So I'm going to use the action. Let me look at the action I'm going to use. I got a lot of action, so I'm going to pick this action. I'm going to check the best green scale and vision blur that's okay for it. So I think 8 is 10 is okay. So we have the high frequency layer and the low frequency layer. We have the color and the texture layer. Some people like to off the high frequency layer because of the texture, so that you can see the flexibility of the Mesa brush tool. Then I'm going to click on my Mesa brush tool. This place is on clean brush, and make sure the clean brush is being clicked. The wet is on 30, the load is on 30, the mix on 30, the values are 30. So depend on how your image. In the other image, I'll be giving you different values, and that one will be normal of Mr. Boss 2. So I'm going to click on Mr. Boss 2. On the color layer, then follow the path of the skin gradually. I'm going to follow the path of the skin gradually. You can see. And whenever you want to do Mr. Boss 2, make sure you zoom out so that you won't make mistake of the way you are missing the brush tools. Make sure you do it very perfect. Make sure you follow the part of the face. Make sure you follow it and do it diligently. So I'm done with this Mr. Boss 2. Right now I'm going to use the Gaussian block with the lasso tool. Some people feather may be 22, while some 20, so I prefer 22 for my feather. I'm going to increase it a bit. I can multiply 12 times TV. I think give us how much. So that's 6, okay. So here is the way I use my Mr. Boss 2 for frequency separation. You can see the before and the after, before and the after, before and after. Instead of me to be using the e-brush tool or the part tool or the lasso tool, I will take the use of Mr. Boss 2 to do my frequency separation. So right now I'm going to my next image, and this image I'm not going to be using frequency separation. So right now I have another image. I duplicate it. I click on Mr. Boss 2. But right now I may use the same value for the Mr. Boss 2. I may use the same value for the Mr. Boss 2. But for this trial sake, I just want to change the value to show. I can still use the value that I want to use now for this image in that first image that I used. So I'm going to change this one to 7. I'm going to give the load 75 and the mix 90 and the flow 100. So right now I'll give in this value and make sure I'm going to give you an example of the Boss 2. I'll make sure it's another column. I'm not just want to give this as a sample. Make sure whenever you want to whenever I want to use your Mr. Boss 2, make sure you follow the path of the face. Follow its path of the face. And you see you are going to follow the path the way the path of the face is. Just follow the path of the face. Don't do it anyhow, just follow the path of the face. The way the part of the face is, that's the way how we are going to follow it. You see the way I did my first one. So I'm going to follow the part of the face the way it is. Just follow it gradually the way it is. So your face is going to be smooth after the use of Mr. Boss 2, like I did the first one, the before and the after. So in this tutorial we are going to be diving deep into that. So right now I'm going back to the Mr. Boss 2. Use of the Mr. Boss 2 and make sure it's still on clear wash with the same custom. My value weight is 70, load 75, weight is 90, and flow is 100. Not like the other one, like the same value 30, 30, 30. So within two values, anyone that you wish to choose, both work effective, both for frequency layer and the normal one I want to show you now. So right now, I'm not going to be using a frequency separation. I'm just going to do it normal way. I'm going to see which image is going to when it came out. So right now, I'm going to follow the part of the face. I'm going to see. So I'm through with that. So you can see the before and the after, before and the after. So you can see before and the after of the image. You can see no more blemishes in there. The reason why I'm more pressure on the mixer board too, because the more the weight is 7 times, if I press this the weight like 5 times, the same is going to multiply it by 5 times. So the more I pressure the weight and the load, so everything is going to multiply the amount of pressure that I put on it. So that's why you can see the before and after. You can see the big difference of it. That's the one that we do with frequency separation and the one without frequency separation. You can see. You can see this image now. You think I did a frequency separation. Meanwhile, I did not did a frequency separation. If this tutorial is able for you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have a question, comment below in this tutorial. I hope you have value in this tutorial. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.